Here with Paul Miller, head coach of the UMC football team, getting ready for another tough road game in the NSIC against Minot State University. Just what do you expect from the Beavers and from your Golden Eagle football team, and just how important is it to come out and ready to play and hopefully get a victory after a tough loss against Moorhead last weekend?
Well, one thing you find in this league that road games are tough, and you just have to look around the league and see kind of results that sometimes surprise you when you look at the two teams, but then when you look at the side of the game, that seems to have a great bearing on some of the results so far this season anyway. So we've got to kind of buck that trend, and Minot's had one win, and they were able to beat the University of Marion. That was a home game for them. We need to go and play well. There's no great mystery to, I think, what we need to accomplish, and that is to play solid defensively, offensively play mistake-free, not turn the ball over, and probably the greatest thing in that, in regards to every aspect of the game, and that's to be consistent, and that's something that we were not last week, and we struggle with from time to time this year.
Just how important is it to get the offense back on track? You kind of said on turnovers, yardage-wise you were okay, but just the mistakes from the offense. Just how important is it to get a solid game from AJ and from Richard and some of the other guys out there?
Well, that's obviously critical. We're not going to be successful if we don't get some solid performances from key individuals, and those guys. I'm confident they'll play well, and we'll bounce back from what I think we all kind of consider not a great performance by ourselves, and we've shown the capacity to do that most of the year, and so I have a lot of confidence in the young men on our football team that will do that, and we play our four quarters as well as we can, and hopefully we can grab off a win.
Okay, thanks.